Hello and welcome. Today, I'm trying something new, a flow fusion pour, using extra liquid acrylics. It moves so differently from traditional pouring, so let's see how these superfluid colors interact on the canvas. I'm starting with 150 milliliters of deep black paint as a base. Right away, you can see how liquid these paints are. They flow completely differently than a traditional pour. Now, let's swipe the colors to create some movement. I love watching how the liquid paints pull away from each other. It's almost like they have a mind of their own. Now, I'll gently tilt the canvas to guide the flow. Do you see that pattern on the left? It almost looks like a canyon forming. Let me try to shift it slightly toward the center. It's fascinating to watch how these superfluid colors shift and flow across the black base. Instead of separating, they seem to be drawn toward each other, merging in some areas while creating delicate, web-like patterns in others. The way they interact is completely unpredictable, forming organic shapes and intricate textures as they settle. Wow, this final result is amazing. The way the colors layered and pulled apart has left a striking canyon-like formation right in the middle. It's a completely unexpected but beautiful effect. I love how this turned out. The extra liquid consistency definitely changed the way the paint moved and settled. What do you think? Should I experiment more with this technique? Let me know in the comments. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks so much for your support.